Hey, what's up everybody? How are you doing guys? क्या हाल चाल है सबका? Bringing you another Clash Royale video guys, and you can see the update is here. I have already updated the game and we'll just see what are the new things that has been added into the game after this update. So first of all guys, we know the champions have arrived and you can see that on your screen. You will be able to unlock the champions at king level 14, and if you were at king level 13 before the update, so your king will automatically be upgraded to level 14. Let's move ahead. So you can see the electro wizard is boosted for 4 days, and we have also got some star points here. That's really nice. I was at 50,000 star points before the update, and now I have almost over 250,000 star points. That's really nice. And here you can see the king level has also been upgraded to level 14. So here are the stats that has changed. Hit points have been increased a bit along with the tower damage. Moving on, we do have gold rush as well of 200,000, so that is also another good thing. Having a look quickly at this shop section, there is nothing much. That was just 5,000 gold points. And in the challenge section you can see there is a new challenge where you will be able to test the new skeleton king champion. In the first part you can play it without any loss cap, so you can see you can play to get all the rewards, whereas in the second section you will get emote. You will get an emote, but you will have 3 losses there, so if you lose 3 games you will not be able to get that emote. So I'll be bringing a video on the deck for that as well. And moving on, you can see the progression chest here. As you upgrade your star level, as you progress through the game, you will get a chest according to that, and there are other few things that will be unlocked along with that. So going on and quickly unlocking our first chest. So here you can see the things that will be unlocked along with that. So you can see after king level 4, I think was that, yes, after king level 4 you will be able to purchase royal pass. I think before that you will not be able to purchase that, as you can see over there on the screen. So I'll just fast forward the opening of chests a bit till I reach to king level 14, and we know we will get a champion from there. I hope I get the Archer Queen, because I think she is the best among the 3 champions, at least currently, because all the videos that I have seen till now, I think she is really strong. So I'll just fast forward everything from now, and I'll stop when I reach to King level 14. So here we are guys, on to the last chest. You must have noticed that I got a lot of legendary cards and few wild cards from the previous chest. And this is the last chest. I got 12,000 gold and another wild card. The last card is going to be a champion. Let's see what it is. Okay, so it's Golden Knight. I think it's okay. I wanted the Archer Queen, I think, but Golden Knight is, I think, second best among the 3 champions according to me. And here you can see the Golden Knight. You get a notification in the clan as well that you have unlocked a champion. And this is the ability dashing dash, and it costs 1 elixir also. So I think it's fine. I wanted the Archer Queen, and I guess some other players also wanted that champion to unlock in the start, but I think it's okay to have the Golden Knight because I think it's the second best. So moving on from here, and that was almost all that I wanted to show in this video. We do have challenges and these new chests along with the things that you will unlock on progression to your king level. So going here, you can see that the introduction part, that you have unlocked the champions, and you can only have one champion at a time in your deck, and you will upgrade the champions just like you upgrade your legendary cards. So I think I'll just leave the part of making a deck with the champion right now, and I'll take some time for that. Let's have a quick look at the other two champions as well. This is the Skeleton King, and its ability costs 2 elixir, and this is the ability Soul Summoning. And we have the Archer Queen, the ability costs 1 elixir, and it's called Cloaking Cape. So it's almost like you have in Clash of Clans, and here you can see the details and the interactions. So you can see the gold rush is also on, I told you before, and it will go on for 32 days. So that was pretty much all for this video, guys. This is the introductory part, and once I'll just want to show you the emote that you will get in the second part. And here you have 3 losses cap, so I will try to bring the deck as soon as possible for you guys. And yeah, that was all for the video, guys. If you liked the video, please do subscribe to the channel and leave a like. I'll bring more videos on the new update and how the champions are working in game, and also the decks according to that. So thank you everyone for watching the video, guys. I'll see you next time. Take care. Bye bye.